Hello, beautiful souls. I am Lynnette. I'm your empowerment coach, and I'm so excited to personally invite you to my upcoming virtual workshop. It's called Unveiled, a woman's journey to self-love, and it's happening on May 18th. Now, this is just not another event. This is a sacred space for women like you, women who are ready to peel back the layers, release the self-doubt, and come home to the woman that God created you to be. Now, this is going to be a 90-minute journey where we're going to explore what true self-love really means. We're going to do powerful mirror work to speak worth, power, and truth over your life. We're going to reflect and journal on the places you've been hiding or holding back on. And most of all, remember that you are already whole, already loved, and you are already enough. I want you to know that you are not broken, you are not behind, and you're not too much or not enough. You are God's masterpiece, and it's time to start living like that. And here's the best part. You don't have to walk this journey alone. We're gathering as a community of women, lifting each other up, holding space, and rising together. So, if your heart feels that little tug right now, that whisper that says, yes, this is for me, I want to invite you to join. Now, go ahead and register today. You can just click on the link, and don't forget to follow me on YouTube for more encouragement. And come join the Celebrate You Tribe on Facebook. We love to have you in our circle. I cannot wait to see you on May 18th. Let's rise together, unveiled, unafraid, and unapologetically you. See you soon, beautiful one.